What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tank B Choppin', and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're actually gonna be doing an unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go. Alright guys, check it out. We finally got the Gamma Golden Gun in here. So we are gonna be doing an unboxing on this clipper right here. Y'all know how your boy does it though. I normally do an unboxing and then I run through some haircuts with it and I let y'all know what I think. But this video, we just gonna do an unboxing. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna use this yet. Even though I've seen videos of people using it, I don't know if I'm gonna use it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it as a collector's item. I don't know if I'm gonna put its use in the shop. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the Sean Cuts Hair Golden Gun Challenge. I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So nonetheless, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for y'all now, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do afterwards. So once again, guys, here is the box. I really like the box that this clipper comes in. Check it out. You know, Gamma's always on point with their boxing and their packaging. It's a nice looking package. We got some more specifications down here, so let's go ahead and read some of this stuff right here. Gamma Golden Gun Collector's Edition Professional Cordless Clipper with Microchip Magnetic Motor. So basically just reading it, it sounds like it's gonna be like an ergo or an ex-ergo type clipper. It's got a magnetic motor just like those, and the body shape is real similar to that. So off top, I feel like it's basically gonna be like an ergo or an ex-ergo. Fully adjustable fade blade can easily be zero gapped. 3 customizable click levers, microchip 10,000 strokes per minute turbocharged motor, cleaning and maintenance kit, and a set of 5 magnetic combs. So basically it comes with the same stuff that most of the Gamma tools come with. But let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks. Once again, check that out. Man, I'm telling you, man, Gamma be on, look at that. I like that right there. Gamma be on point with their boxing and their packaging, man. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see what comes in this box. All right, so check it out. So let's start off with the clipper. Here is the clipper right here. As y'all can see, check that out. I'm really liking that all gold body, man. It's looking nice. Y'all see that right there? The Golden Gun. Let's take this off right here. So I don't think cutting with it will be an issue, but if you're gonna be cutting like this, it's gonna be hard to get to the lever, so you're gonna have to use this finger or move your hand up. Because in the hand like this, it don't feel bad. It feels like a normal clipper. But if you're gonna hold it like this just for clout, you know what I'm saying, it might be a little difficult. But nonetheless, guys, it looks nice. I like the weight of it. Let's see what else comes in this box. So then we also got the stand for it right here. So it's a stand and it's a charging dock. All right, and then we also got a pair of guards. You do get the magnetic guards, but it's not the dubs. It's not the double magnetic guards. It's the older, open this. It's the older set of guards that used to come with the Gamma stuff. Let's go ahead and check this out. So you get these guards right here. Not a fan of them, but if I was gonna use this clipper, I would use my dubs or my Babyliss guards. And then we also get the charging cord that you plug either the clipper straight into, so you can plug it in just like that, or you can plug this into the charging base. So as you can see right here, you can plug this into the charging base. Let's see what else we have in here. So then we also get the screwdriver, and then we also get the different click levers, some oil, and then this right here. So this right here is basically like a glass case type deal. You set it, you know, you build it, you put the gun in it, you know, and you get a nice little display thing. Basically how it looks right here. That's what this is. It turns into this right here. So it does have instructions with it. Y'all know normally I just chunk this out the door like that, but we might have to use that again. We may have to use it to see how to set this up, but we're gonna see, man. I don't know if I'm gonna set this up and just put it on display. Might put it back here, might put it on display at the shop, or I might put this thing to use, man. Like, I really like the way it feels. When you turn it on, it feels good in the hand. Like I said, guys, it really reminds me of like an ergo or an ex-ergo type clipper. It's nice and thin, not too heavy. Only thing is the bottom part is a little different. Obviously, it's It's supposed to be a gun shape, you know what I'm saying? So, but I think you can get a haircut done like this, man. I don't feel like it'd be too hard, but it might be. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take it to the shop today. I might put it to use. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna take it to the shop and do the Golden Gun Challenge just to have some more content for y'all. But y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think I should do with it, guys. But nonetheless, guys, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Gamma Plus Golden Gun. And if you are interested in copping this, you can go to their website and you can use my discount code TANK10 and save yourself a little bit of money. But that's basically it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.